First we hit this. Okay, there's that. Then we'll hook up the puller. Okay, so the puller works like this. So it comes with this piece right here. Then you screw this in. Make sure you have this tip on because you can mess up the threads and the little, where the screw goes on the crankshaft. So make sure you have the tip on. But then after that, you find the bolt that correctly fits here. So it's that one. Do one of these. Actually, that's too long. That's way too long. Alright, well, I guess that's gonna have to do. All the way in and you hit this. Battery's dying. Go get another battery. Okay, so real quick, I thought there was something else in there, but I couldn't see it with all the oil. This is the washer. It's all jacked up now because I was hitting it so hard with the deal there. But so I'm gonna have to try to. I have one on the old one, but probably just find another one anyways. So don't forget to take that out. That goes the screw, and then there's a big washer. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, aside from being a little dirty, I mean, it looks and crusty. It looks okay. I mean, I don't know if that lip is supposed to be there or not, but so look at that, it's all nasty in there, oil. So I'm gonna take off. They're all 9/16ths. There's one there, one there, one there, one there, and then there's one under here and one under here on this side. Don't forget about those. Aside from that, I think I took all the other ones out. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. All 9/16ths. Just gonna remove those. Oh, I took out the distributor too. It's also 9/16ths, I guess. Yeah. So these two at the bottom are shorties. These two up here are long boys. Oh, a medium and a longer guy. And then the two on the bottom here. Smaller. Oh, it looks like a half. What? Half. This one. this thing has like right here, I think there's another one over here somewhere, right there. It's got little like pins, you know, to help. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a hammer and just kind of hammer it all around. It should just pop off. I had to do that with the distributor. It was a pain in the ass, but so I'll do that right now. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. This is like an old hammer from like '83. It's my dad's. There we go. This came right off. See the inside there. There's the oil pump. Doesn't look too bad actually. Alright. And then here's the timing chain. Oh yeah, look at that. Some slop on both sides. You know what I'm probably gonna do? I'm probably gonna get it to... Oh, don't forget about this thing. It's the oil slinger. The oil goes on it and it just whips it around so that it gets, you know, all over the place or whatever. But that only goes on one way because it's got this little, that little chinga right there, so it goes on the key. This is the fuel pump eccentric. Yeah, this is the fuel pump eccentric. I might actually take this off and put it on another engine that I just got. Here's the gear for the camshaft gear. Here's the distributor gear. So they look in pretty decent shape. Well, they go like that, I guess. But, so you take this bolt off, this comes off, this fuel pump eccentric, so this thing spins around and it hits the fuel pump, and that's what causes it to create suction. That's a lot of slop. Yeah, that's like 3/4 of an inch. I think they said you only want like 1/4 of an inch or less. I forget. I don't know. Look it up. But that's a lot right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one of these. And this bolt goes into the camshaft, I believe. Looks like there's a washer here, and then the cam gear. Let's see here. There's that. Here's this little washer here. Looks like it kind of got scraped up a bit. So that. Alright, let's see here. I think there might be. Yeah, let's see. There might be a pin right here that I think I have to push out. Let me do some research real quick. Okay, so this thing just slides off right there. It's got a little key there and a key. Oh no. Oh, it's got for a smaller key and a bigger key, I guess, depending. And there's a key there, and then this should just slide off too. It says rear there, so you can, I don't know if you can see it. Rear, so you know which way to put it on. This obviously was this way, so that this space was in there, right there. And then this should just come off too. Let's see. Let me see here. This isn't a great hammer. Okay, well. Go. Okay. Let's take this chain off here. Not needing that anymore. Let's take this out slow here. Okay. Oh, it's looking pretty good. There we go. Yeah. This doesn't look bad at all. Okay.